Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to sign out Messenger from all devices. So if you guys want to go ahead and sign out your Messenger account from all devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go in and launch the Messenger applications. Let's tap on our profiles or the three lines at a top left corner, and let's tap on settings right here. Next, let's scroll down onto this option on See More in Account Center, and I want you to tap on Password and Security. Next, let's tap on where you're logged in, and I want you to choose, of course, your account. Under here, next, let's tap on this option on Select Devices to log out. And if you want to go ahead and sign out from all devices, all we need to do is tap on Select All and tap on Log Out. And that is gonna easily give you the option to log out of all of the devices easily with one click. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.